Okay, here's the washer. This is the Speed Queen. That one right here is making that noise. Oh man, got some seal. Hey mommy, that washer makes a little clicking noise. You hear it? That knocking noise. Stopping a little bit. Oh man.
It's getting all the water out of there.
Oh, do you mean the
My clothes are in there.
I know, that's what all that knocking noise needs.
It's spinning real good.
Spin real good.
Yup.
My washer has that too.
Mine does too, but not that good.
It's a front loader, right?
Yes, sir.
Like the ones you see at you can find it at your local, like your depot store, like Lowe's, right? For example. Oh, the thing has a missing screw. The lower access panel is not enough. You know, the lower access panel. You know, like in order to like if your washer has trouble with like draining or spinning, you have to like take the front panel, like takes 2 screws right there.
Nobody loves laundry more than that is.
All right, this one is done.
All right, kid, are you ready?
The front access panel is kind of loose.
Yeah, I don't know if that's what makes it make that noise though.
You see it when I try to push it in, it won't do it all the way. You just need to like check the screws. I don't know if it's normal or not, but I know the lower panel right there needs